It's the night of 30th May 2010. Six boats slice through Mediterranean dark waters, their decks piled with medicine, food, and cement. Nearly 700 activists from 40 nations, politicians, doctors, journalists, and clergy sail under one banner: Gaza Freedom Flotilla. At the heart of this convoy is a ship named Mavi Marmara. This journey is no ordinary journey. It's a mission to show 2 million people in Gaza that the world has not forgotten them. Before dawn on May 31st, the sea is silent until helicopters shatter the silence. The commandos of Zionist State of Israel descend on Mavi Marmara, and what follows is a complete mayhem. Total chaos erupts, shouting, fists, flash grenades, and firing. By sunrise, 9 activists are killed. A 10th will die later. Dozens are wounded, and the world watches in shock. Turkey recalls its ambassador. UN experts cite UN Convention on the Law of the Sea that civilians in international waters are protected. And as usual, the Zionist State of Israel pays no heed. But this convoy was not the first. 2 years prior to this mission, in 2008, small ships from Free Gaza movement had pierced the blockade. 2 boats named Free Gaza and Liberty slip past patrols, are greeted by cheering Gazans. These appear to be the first foreign vessels reaching Gaza for the first time in 40 years. Between 2008 and 2009, 5 boats succeeded. To Gaza's people, these convoys were more than aid. They were a proof that someone, somewhere, still cared for them. In 2011, Freedom Flotilla 2, 10 ships, 300 passengers, was bottled up in Greek ports under diplomatic pressure. Only French yacht Dignity Al-Karama reached open waters before forces of Zionist State of Israel seized it. In 2015, Freedom Flotilla 3, the Marion of Gothenburg, was intercepted 100 nautical miles from Gaza. In 2018, Al-Awda and Freedom, part of the Just Future for Palestine flotilla, was boarded and seized by the forces of Zionist State of Israel. Activists on board alleged mistreatment, and Israel defended itself by calling it lawful blockade. In 2023, smaller sailings tried again, only to be intercepted before reaching Gaza. In July 2025, Handala ship was intercepted 40 nautical miles from Gaza. Its cargo was seized, and 21 crew members and journalists were detained. Then in September 2025, just few days back, before Global Sumud Flotilla could even set sail, drones attributed to Israel struck 2 of its ships while docked in Tunisian port: the Portuguese-flagged Family boat and the British-flagged Alma. Though fortunately no lives were lost. But Tunisian officials and international observers called it a brazen violation of Tunisian sovereignty and international law. Evidence that even harbors in neutral countries are not safe from crimes of the Zionist State of Israel. Each flotilla that is aimed at breaking the siege becomes a floating protest, a reminder that international law is supposed to shield civilians and protect humanitarian missions. Right now, the Global Sumud Flotilla, the largest yet, comprising of 40 to 50 ships from more than 40 countries, presses on. Despite delays, political threats, and drone attacks, it sails forward. For the people of Gaza, these ships are not just aid. They are a message that you are not forgotten. Whether intercepted or triumphant, every flotilla adds to the turbulent history. A story of defiance, diplomacy, and the belief that even smaller boats can carry a powerful truth. Gaza is not forgotten. And that is why the world is watching now. The Global Sumud Flotilla is not just another voyage. It's the real-time test of accountability. Each update, each image keeps Mediterranean from becoming an unseen stage. The whole world must keep talking about this mission because solidarity is alive. And even smaller boats under the weight of history can compel the whole world to look, to question, and perhaps to care. Share this video if you feel this story matters, if you feel it sheds light on the issue that needs to be talked about.